Hello, Aptitude Academy at Goss students and families. Welcome to materials pickup and schedule pickup. We hope that you picked up a nice backpack and you're ready to add your students' Google Classroom with your new device or the device you brought from last year. So first step, you're going to make sure that you went to B5 and got your student number and your student password. Make sure you also got your class code to add your teacher's class. Then we're going to log into classroom.google.com, where you'll enter your student number ended by @arusd.org. You'll enter your password, and finally, you'll get to use this class code to add your teacher's Google Classroom. So at classroom.google.com, I've entered my student number, and I did not forget to put @arusd.org. Hit next. After hitting next, you should have a place to enter your password. And once you've entered your password correctly, go ahead and hit next. Now in the top right corner, you're going to hit the plus sign, which means add Google Classroom. And in the box, you're going to enter the correct class code. Teacher, my class code was ZQLWEA3. I'm now going to hit the blue join button in the top right, and that should add this Google Classroom. And there you have it. In less than 2 minutes, we've added our new classroom. Most cases, you're going to have your teacher's name, and if you're in middle school, you'll have your teacher's name and maybe the period or class they're teaching. Again, remember, if you're in middle school, you got to do this for every single class that has a unique class code. Thank you, and we hope you have a great first day of school.